What is going on, everybody? Sean Staplefield here with another straight razor shaving video. In today's episode, I have 3 different razors. How do you guys do it? This way, or this way? I usually do this. I think Germans go like this, and then Americans this way. My whole family goes this way. I'm the only one that does it that way. I got 3 razors. 2 of them have a Nakoda black diamond edge. One of them is convex, the other one is just like regular flat. And then I also have another razor, this one. This has an Escher edge. And first time trying an Escher edge, so I'm excited. I already put a hot towel on. I have 36 hours of growth. You guys have a closer look. And today I'm using Vache pre-shave oil. It's been a while since I've used this. And I just want to see how it goes. I have a little pimple here, so I'm fully expecting for there to be a little bit of blood on today's shave. Here, let's get the mustache area. The only thing I don't like about pre-shave oil is not that it doesn't work, because it does. I mean, even coconut oil works. You can take like some coconut, pass it on your face, even that works. But it leaves a residual slickness in your hand, which you want that residual slickness in your face, but in your hands when you have a straight razor, not a good combination. So I always take some hand soap and clean that off. Whenever you're handling a straight razor, your safety is priority, so make sure you have dry hands when handling a straight razor or a chevette or any type of razor for that matter. All right. Let's get into the equipment. Today's soap, I missed it. Glad to use it again. Vache by the Cajun Blade, link in the description. Aftershave Splash, Aquavelva Musk, and I hope that my cameraman is focusing a lot better. I already showed this, but I'll show it again just in case. Vache pre-shave oil. This beautiful, and I want to get the logo here. The Jack by Hendrix Classic. This has the dragon knot. All right. So that's good enough for me. Let me just do a little cleanup here. A bunch of soap here. Hope everybody's week is going well. Today I had a rough day at work. Just a lot of things that happen and you're not expecting, but hey, it's all about adapting to the situation and just powering through it. Let's start with the Nakoda regular edge. This is not convex. This is a Japanese frameback. It's a rocket razor, black scales, and this has the Nakoda edge. And yeah, make sure we have good frame here. Yes. Okay, yeah, so that's a lot better than last time. Okay. Okay. That Nakoda edge, Nakoda black razor, can't think, guys. Excuse me. That Nakoda black diamond stone is definitely a finisher, and I got that the way I wanted it. Now I want to try the Nakoda black diamond convex. This was on the 6-foot wheel on a conical, so we hollowed out we made it even more convex, or more hollow ground. We made it even more hollow ground with that 6-foot wheel, and then we went to a 5K 25-foot wheel, then a 10K 25-foot wheel, and then we finished flat on the Nakoda. It feels like there's not even an edge there, dude. That's kind of scary about, it's not scary, just gotta make sure you have good technique. But with convexing razors, it feels like there's not even an edge there. It's just gliding through and destroying everything. And that's why it's always like so comfortable, I think. Like the most comfortable shaves I've always had are with this. So now for the one I've been really excited for, the Escher edge, because honing on this was beautiful. Beautiful. And that is beautiful. That is a work of art. Brother. Oh, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Makes me want to cry. I feel like I'm cheating on the cauticles. Brother, I don't even know what to say. Let me be a little bit more careful here because I'm approaching the little pimple I had. There we go. Okay, first pass with the grain. As you guys know, I'm a bull lather. I should try face lathering. It's always nice to try different things. Robert, No Name Bear. I've been reading that Benjamin Ashwood book, chapter 3. Really enjoying it. And when I was reading it, the first page, like the first sentences, I really like what they said. Basically, the beautiful thing about freedom is because we don't agree with everything that everybody says, but we still have the freedom to have disagreements. So agree with that 100%. It applies to life, daily social interactions with other people at your job, with your friends, and honing community as well. Beautiful thing about freedom and doing what we do is we can all have our own way of doing things and disagreeing on how to do them. At the end of the day, we're just shaving. All right. Escher edge. Let me try out the convex edge. Beautiful. Escher edge on flat. Keenness is like up there with a lightsaber JNet edge, in my opinion. Feels like, here I go again with the grits. Obsessed with them, huh? Feels like a 16 plus K edge on this. So somewhere above 16K. Ridiculous. I've been trying to go against the grain here on the chin area, and there goes a little pimple, but no success yet. We'll see. Convex again. Actually, let's try the flat frame back here. Beautiful, beautiful. So definitely that Nakoda can be manipulated in a way that it gets you 10K or above. That's not a fact. It's just my opinion. There's that meme about the girl that says that it's just an opinion. Escher edge. It's like Martin with his synthetic brushes, you know? It's just what he likes. And he shouldn't be sorry or anything, it's just his opinion. And I get his point. Like, synthetic brushes, man, they're up there with, they can compete with Badger brushes in terms of softness. And in terms of price as well, like, man, you got some really nice synthetic brushes for a really nice price. Hard to beat that. And performance is just up there with really good Badger brushes and really good boar brushes. But I also get the opinion that there's guys that one day they just want to shave with a Badger brush, one day they just want to shave with a boar brush, and that's good as well, you know. Okay. Wet towel. Clean that off. Cold water. Again, Aqua Velvet Musk. Hope the cameraman did his work. Now this one I don't think it stings as much as the ice blue. And that's good. Irritation free. Really good edges. Nakoda black, I'm impressed. It has a really good value for the stone that you're getting. That is by Royal Flint Abrasives. The stone was sent to me by Eric, the Cajun Blade. I think he's gonna do a pass around of the stones. And I think the next one I'm gonna try is do some more testing on the Escher and more videos on the Invicta, which I haven't shown here in the channel. But that's also from Royal Flint Abrasives. I always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next one.